Hello everyone, my name is Krishna Priya. Welcome back to my channel DigiCourse. In this video, I'm going to discuss about Elementor, which is a drag and drop page builder for a WordPress website. So it is simply like letting you control every part of your website designing in a single platform. So we have a lot of options and I'm going to discuss each and everything regarding this Elementor. So let's get started now. So in the previous session, we have discussed about the importance of having a plugins in a WordPress website. Am I right? So
Yes,
only with the
ma'am.
help of themes, we can't design the perfect website. That's the reason we have seen few plugins, right? So now today I'm going to discuss one more important plugin that is Elementor. Okay. And we call it as a page builder. Page builder. What it is. Now, guys, tell me with the help of themes, did you find any option of designing the individual pages? Like,
Yes,
let's
ma'am.
say if you want, is it? If you want to create a contact us page, or else if you want to create about us page perfectly, like, I mean, designing of about us page individually, do you have that option in themes?
No, ma'am. Certain places we had certain things to do, but
Mm-hmm.
other than that, mostly it was restricted.
Right, yes. So because theme will give you some predefined options, you should use only those options, right? So other than that, we don't have any other options to change anything. Got it? So as if I want to design the exact page, like exactly however I want, I cannot do only with the help of theme. And that too, it's a free template. So for that purpose, we can use this beautiful plugin called Elementor so that we can design, we can place whatever we want in the page. Okay. So now let's see how we can work on this Elementor, installing the Elementor plugin and how we can use this Elementor with the help of pages. Okay. Chalo. Will do. So tell me, how do we install a plugin?
How do we plug in, add new?
So search for Elementor. There you go. You have an Elementor website builder. So
Mhm.
please install now and activate. Okay. So guys, tell me once you have installed any plugin where everything gets situated, left
Uh,
hand, right? Whatever the
yes,
plugin you install, it gets situated in the left hand side.
yes, ma'am.
So now where is the Elementor? Here you go.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is the Elementor.
I remember.
So what I was telling you is it's a page builder. I can build the pages here. So
Mhm.
do we have existing pages? Don't we have pages?
Yes, yes, yes.
We
We have.
had, right, already. So if you don't have any pages, you can directly create a new page, or else if you have some existing pages, you can use them as well for designing. Okay, let me see whether we have any pages over here. Right, we have few pages. So let me go with one of the pages. I'll go with SEO
Yes, see.
page. Okay, right. And there you go. You have a blue color button, edit with Elementor. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
So once you install the plugin, this option will be applicable for every page that you have so that you can start designing with Elementor.
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
me
Right.
click this.
Understood.
Right. So guys, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is how the interface of Elementor looks like. Okay. So we know how to create this header section and sidebar and footer section. Everything we have learned, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now here, I just want to discuss about the structure of Elementor before we get started. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the structure of Elementor. The first yellow color is there, right?
No.
That is called section. We call it as a section. Within the section, you can have columns. What is that?
Column.
Columns. Next, within the column, you can have elements. Okay. So the first topmost layer is section. And within the section, you can have a multiple columns. And within the columns, you can have multiple elements. Okay, so the biggest layout is section, under the section columns, and under the columns elements. So guys, if you remember this whole structure, then that's it. You can rock the Elementor. Okay, the complete Elementor designing depends on this whole structure. If you know how to manage these three layers, then that's it. Okay, section, columns, and elements. So did you understand this? This is simple
Yes.
structure. So when
Yes.
I walk on that, you will get clear idea. Okay, as of now, this is how it looks like. Right, ready. So let me explain you each and every option one by one. Come here at the bottom left hand side, you can see a gear option over here, settings, click that. Here you go, you have a title named SU. It's our page, right? So if you want, you can rename that title and status. So do you want to, after editing this, do you want to directly publish this page or put it in a draft or put it in a pending review or private? Private means only you can see that page. No other person can view that page, right? So you can also specify the status for this page. And here you have featured image. You can also upload an image for this page. And if you want to hide title, you can hide it. Or if you want to show up, you can show. And there you go, you have a page layout. By default, this is a page layout. If you want, you can choose your page layout. So let me choose one by one and see the difference. So Elementor Canvas, what it is. So guys, tell me, what is the difference you have noticed? What's the difference?
We have to start from scratch.
Okay, very good. So any difference from
It's all-
previous layout to current layout?
Here you can edit many things.
There also
There are-
I can edit.
Like there are not too many restrictions.
The thing is, layout from previous layout, we had a header section menu and we had sidebar, we had a footer section. Okay, so we can do Elementor thing within the website, okay, in the middle part. Whereas here, no header section, no footer, no sidebar. It's completely a blank page,
Yeah.
right? This is Elementor Canvas. The next, Elementor full weight. See, tell me now what you have noticed.
We have a footer and a header, but the sidebar has vanished.
Got it. Very good. So sidebar got disappeared, right?
Yeah.
So this is Elementor full weight. And
Uh-huh.
like this, you can choose the layout size. The always recommended layout would be Elementor Canvas. Why? Because it's a blank page. Okay, so that everything would be from scratch, right? So now again, here I just want to tell you one thing, that for every layer, whatever the layer might be, either the section or column or elements, the three most common factors that you're going to have for editing is these three: style, settings, and advanced. These options would be present for every layer you edit. Okay, so we can edit every layer: section, column, elements. So for each and every layer, we will be having three options to edit. Okay, These are our topmost. Now here we have done with the settings. And if you go to the style, you can change the background type. Okay. So background colors. See now, as of now, the background color. So why don't we change the background color? See now, got it? So I will always go with the white color. So white looks always professional, right? So now my background is white. So if you want, you can also upload the image as well, the background
Image.
image. Do you want to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Say, I'm gonna choose this. Yeah, can you see the background?
Mm.
Overall, he's there. I don't, I don't want him, so I just want to delete that picture. So like
Yeah.
this, you can also choose the background color, background image. Got it? Yeah. And you can also choose advanced, but this advanced is a pro option. Okay, cool. So up to here, is it clear? The setting option. It's all
Yes.
about the page. If you want to do something with a page, then you get to the settings gear option, then edit the things. The next option is go to menus, top left hand. Okay. And here you have site settings, global colors. So global colors means the colors of the text colors that appears that applies for all over your site. Now, this global color is for text, primary text. Primary text means that would be obviously H1, right? So your whatever the H1 headings you use in your site, by default, it would be in a sky blue color. Okay. If you want, you can change it. Okay. Let's say I would like to go with something like hello. Okay. And secondary color, the secondary text of your website would be black, and text would be ash color it is showing me. I would choose black. That means automatically whatever the text you have in your site, that would be black would be applicable for all of your text. And accent, it's like buttons. By default, the color for your buttons would be green color. If you want, you can change it. So I'll go with the black. This is like global colors, guys. For entire website, I mean for entire page, you are doing settings right over here, right? So if you still want, you can add few more colors. For me, it's fine. Got it? Clear. And global fonts. Do you want to change the font family? Choose the text. You can
Yeah.
change it. So you can simply play with all these options. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So yeah, you can also change the button style even. So how the buttons has to appear, what is the color, you can also change over here. These are like simply global settings. Okay. That
Yeah.
means whatever you do, this global options will apply for your text. If you don't want, you can also directly apply in a individual terms. That is fine. Right. So these are a basic steps that you need to follow before you start design. So shall we start designing now? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
So can you see here a plus icon? If you
Yes.
click this, we are going to add a section. Can you see
Yeah.
section, this plus icon, and select the structure, whether you want one section, two columns, three columns, four columns. So what is the structure you want? So let's go with the two columns initially. Okay, let me show you. Yeah. Can you see now? Two columns. So two columns in one section. So here, how many columns I have? Two columns, one, two, and section is this is. Can you see? When I
Yes.
put a cursor on that dial pad option, it is asking me to edit section. Okay. And when I put a cursor over here, it is asking me to edit column. Okay. Clear? And here plus icon is there, right? Here you can drag and drop your elements. Here you can drag and drop your elements. So first, let us take a website for a reference. So same like that we can create.
Yes.
Okay, I'll go with a Disney course. So let us make a website a bit like a Disney course. So I don't want to create exactly like a Disney course. Okay, so let me just make it bit like a Disney. Okay, this is how. So first thing is here, I have a text, I have an image over here, right? So let me just go and do that. So here, click this dial pad option. There you go, you have elements. So these are elements you can just simply drag and drop in your columns. Got it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So first, this is a text and image, right? So this time I would like to simply go with a text. Okay. Drag
Right.
and drop. Okay. So why it is coming up in yellow color? Because
We selected that.
we have selected the global color, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And write down your text. What is the text?
Digital marketing.
Okay. Right. So this is my text, but I don't feel like going with yellow color with my H1. So if I want, I can also change the color. See now, size, default, small, medium,
Yes.
large, extra large, double XL. So which size you want, you can choose. I'll go with large. Okay. And alignment, left, center, right, justified. I'll go with left side. Okay. And I already told you, right? For each and every layer, we have a 3 options to edit. Now I have written content and then style. So here you go, the color of a text. Okay. So I would like to go with black. Okay. The next typography. If you want, you can also change the family. Writers, Race, Roboto. Okay, Roboto would be always simple text. I'll go with that. Okay. And size. Do you want to change the size of the text? See now?
Yeah.
There also behind there was an option, no? Large, extra large.
Yeah.
Mm.
So I'll go with this, huh? Perfect. Huh?
Yes.
Perfect.
Yeah, sure. Then weight, thickness of the text, 600, 800. Can you see? Thickness,
Yes.
simply the weight. So I'll go with default. Then transform, uppercase, lowercase, capitalize.
Yes.
So which one you would go with?
Capitalize. Sorry.
Capitalize. Style, normal, italic. Okay. I'll choose normal. Decoration, underline, overline, line through. Which one? We'll go with default, so I don't
Default.
want any decoration. The line height, do you want to specify the line height?
No.
See, no. Yeah, it's fine. Letter spacing, the space between the letters,
Letters. Yes.
Yeah.
right? Right. Yeah. So, and advanced, you can play with this advanced also, like margins, choose margins. See, where it is going, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Just and padding, it will become center, right? Can you see now? Right?
Yes. Yes.
And here comes motion effects. You can add animations to it. Fade in down, fade in left, fade in right. So which one you want? Which animation you want? Fade in up, fade in down would be.
Fade it down.
Okay. All right. If you want, you can also choose background colors for this. See, right? Do you want background colors?
No.
No.
Right.
So
Right.
You can also upload image for your background. And you can also have a borders for this element, right? So like this, I have edited the text. Okay. So this thing is the next training plus certification plus placement. Okay. I would choose this. And now I'm going to edit this content. Okay. So this time I'll just drag and have this text. Okay. Ready. What is that?
That's like underlining
Mhm. Training plus certification plus placement.
plus placement.
Okay. So alignment, size, small, medium, large. I'll go with medium. Okay. And then choose alignment center, right side, justify. So I'll go with
Right.
left side.
Left.
Okay.
Left.
And
is what.
style, do you want to change the style, colors, typography, and advanced margin? See, margins also, right?
Yeah.
Got it?
Little
So as
bit.
of now, for this text, I have, choose the margin and padding, right? That's the reason it's showing me. So let me, put it default like this. This one also default padding,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Understood.
For this also, I'll go with. Got it now? Clear? And next, what is next? I'll go with a button. Here I have a button.
Yeah, ma'am. Book
Oh,
freedom.
so yes. So now drag a button and drop wherever you want. So here, click here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Book a free demo. Okay. And you can enter a link over here. When someone click this button, they will redirect to that. Okay. And size, alignment, left, center, right, justify. Center, left hand side. And small, medium, large, extra large. I'll go with the medium, or small is also fine. Okay, this is. And what else? Yeah, see now the space between. You can also select icon. See now
Yeah, ma'am.
there you
Social
have
media.
this. I would choose this one. Okay, yeah. Can you see icon?
Yeah,
Book
ma'am.
freedom. I can choose the space between icon and text. Like, yeah.
7 is perfect, ma'am.
Child. So you can also choose the button color. Button color is black. So do
Green
you
keep
want
it.
to choose
Green.
green? So you're going to go with the green one.
Yeah.
Button, tie, book of free demo, okay, style, text color. Button, where is the button color?
Button color is there, ma'am.
No, this is text color. Okay, 1 second. Yeah. Why do you want to go with the green?
Green is positive, ma'am. Green means think of trees.
Okay.
That's why.
Okay, yeah, good. No, yo, I hate. I'll go with other color. Black.
Black is better.
Okay. So shall we not play with the colors right now? Okay. Now I'm done with this. I'm done with this section. So what is
Yeah.
next? Here we can upload the image. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So this
you,
is,
you took the double thing, the double folder for that reason.
yeah, two columns.
Yeah,
One
understood.
column, two columns. And
Yes.
now I'll take a image, drag and drop. Okay. So I can upload the image. So let me see if I have any other image. So the image is bit large. So let me choose the size of the image. Oh, I'll go with medium. Okay. And alignment, left, center, right. Choose the alignment. And here comes style. The width of the image you can choose. Okay.
Right.
Okay. So I'll go with this. Got it? And here you can choose the height of the image, border if you have, and then advanced margin. See this? Mhm.
Yes.
I'll always go with the 0. Okay. And padding, motion effects, same fading down.
Fading down.
Yes, ma'am.
So better we'll use the same animations for both. Yeah. So now
Yes.
guys, 2 columns.
Uh-huh.
Now what I have edited? Which layer I have edited? Tell me. I have edited the element.
The element.
What is the 2 elements I have chosen? One is a text and one is an image.
Image.
So
Perfect.
now can I edit the columns even? If you want, you can
Ye-
also edit the columns. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Click this edit column.
Uh-huh.
Here you can have layouts. You can also apply the, background colors for your column, background image for your column. See this background image and choose position. You can also choose positions. Now this is the image that I have uploaded. So I can choose. Can you see little bit the image coming over here? Can you see?
Yes.
That is only for the column, only for that column, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Bottom, center, top, right, bottom, right side, custom. So you can also choose the position. Oh, where it is, I don't know. Not showing up that, yeah. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Background image.
Wow.
Okay, you can play with that. I'll go with this.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. ma'am.
And if you want, you can choose the repeat, not repeat, and size also. Auto, cover, contain, custom. So choose the width and I'll go with default. Okay, like so now I have uploaded this image for this column only. This
Yes, ma'am.
column, can I edit this column as well?
Which one? The digital.
Column.
that one, huh?
Yeah.
Ah,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Why
So like
not?
this, you can edit columns. And if I
Yeah.
want to edit a section,
Edit section.
edit section. Can you see a dial pad option here?
Yeah,
I can
ma'am.
edit. So click this. Here you will be getting options for editing your section. So choose content width, this entire the content width, full or boxed, boxed width. Can you see the width?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This is nice, ma'am. Perfect.
This is nice. This is nice.
Ah, this is perfect.
Okay, I'll go with this. Huh?
Ah, ma'am.
And next, height, fit to screen
Mhm.
or minimum height.
This
Which one you
minimum
want?
height. Okay.
Minimum height. So again, you
Minimum
can
height.
choose height here. See this? Huh?
Too extendable. That is too extendable.
Yeah. So fit to screen, this is how it looks like.
Ah,
Right?
ma'am.
So it's up to you guys. You can play with that minimum height. I'll go with this height. Yeah, it's perfect. And
Yes.
column position. These are 2 columns, right? So you
Yeah.
can simply choose the position, top,
Yeah.
bottom, or middle. I'll go with middle, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you can also choose the structure of your elements. Okay, columns. 50-50, 3365 or
Yes, ma'am.
6335. See, like this.
Yeah. We'll
I'll
take
go
it.
with 50-50. Huh? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Equal.
equal. So then advanced. Still, you have options of choosing margins. Can you see
Yes, ma'am.
margins? Your section is coming down over. Can you see? Like this. Yeah. So that upside will be bit, empty. If you want, you can still move it up, right? And motion effects. The entire motion for your section.
Yes.
Fading down. I'll choose fading. Yeah, that's
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Yes. All right, guys. I tried editing this first section. So
Yeah, ma'am.
let me have this digital marketing course modules. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Or else we'll have about section. How about section?
About section and sense?
About digi course. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. So for that also I'll go with some 2 sections. Okay. This time I'll go and choose some image again. Drag the image, put it here, and I'll choose a image for that's okay. And here let me write the about section. Mhm. So I'll take this heading, drag here.
Yes, ma'am. Add.
Uh,
Acha. Got it, ma'am.
About
About digital, ma'am.
digi course. Okay.
About digital.
About digi course.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So I need to write something about digi course, right? Again. So for
Yeah.
that, I'll drag this text editor and drop over here. Here. Okay. So shall
Yes.
we write?
Yes.
So if you want, you can write over here. Okay. So now I wrote something about digi course. Now let me edit this thing. So I don't want this image to be that large. So let me make it medium. Huh? So if you want, you can also drag like this, guys. So which
ma'am.
column you want bigger, which column you want smaller. Can you see? Like
Right,
this.
ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
This looks fine, right? Yeah.
No.
So
Yeah.
do you want gap between this section and this section?
Yeah,
Yeah.
little.
Little.
I know.
So at that time, I can edit the section. So click this section. So come here, advanced, and then drag it.
Yeah.
Sorry, where is it?
Right,
And
ma'am.
what else we can add? So now I'll just add this digital marketing course modules. Huh?
Right, ma'am.
I'll
Yes.
take this entire. So tell me which option I have to add now.
Single,
I'll
ma'am.
take single one. Very good.
Right.
So now
Similar to
I'll,
MailChimp, no, ma'am. This is.
yeah,
Ma'am.
drag options you have in image. So now I'll take this. So let's put it in the center. So I want to change the background text color. Black. Yeah. Is it fine? Mhm.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Black.
Black color. That's fine. So do you want to have some animations? Do you want to have some gap? Then come to
Gap.
advanced and then add some have some margins, change the margins and padding. Okay. So I changed I have text as well. So now what is next? I need to add the modules, right?
Yeah, ma'am. The content.
Okay, so I'll change a little bit change in this module. So this time I'll take some 4 structures.
Mhm.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Right, ma'am.
Here we have icon, right? So in the icon position, let me have some image. Okay. Let me have some image. I'll just drag this and drop over here. Huh?
Right, ma'am.
So take an image. Let me upload one image. I'll go with it. Okay. This is the image I took. And here it's a SEO, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Search engine optimization.
I'll write down the text. For writing a text, which element you want?
Heading.
Heading. So drag it. So if you drag that element, it will show you option way to drop. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
So wherever it is showing you a sky blue, then it is a option for dropping the element. So now I want to drop it at the bottom. So I will SEO. huh?
SEO.
Yes. So I can choose the alignment, size, small, medium. Okay. It's up to you. And I'll go with large. huh? Then style,
All right, ma'am.
colors, yellow, like that. Oh, SEO bit large, right? I'll choose something like medium.
Oh no.
Yes. The next, what we can do, what is next is to add some text, right?
Text about
So
the
now,
content.
yeah. So I'll just drag it and drop over here.
Oh.
So I'm just copying right now. Copy it over here. Okay. Alright. And do you want to change the settings with this text? Style,
Yeah, ma'am.
alignment, left, center, right, justify. Which one you want? Center?
Yes.
Yeah,
Center.
right? Center. So I would like to add one more thing like button. So drag and drop. So button click here is fine for me. I would like to go with center. Yeah,
Mhm.
got it. And this image, medium, large, medium, thumbnail, or one second. Thumbnail like this. Is it fine? Thumbnail or medium?
Medium, ma'am.
Medium is fine. Okay, chalo. So now, same like that, I would like to make some changes with Google Ads, SMO, website designing as well. So now
Mhm.
what I'll do is, no, I don't do it every time. So simply, I'll just copy this. Okay, copy and
Yes.
paste it. Paste here and paste and paste. And remaining elements are there, right? I'll just delete them. Right click and delete. Right click and delete. Okay. So now 4 things I have. So what is the next thing I need to do? I just need to choose the different images,
Different images
different text,
and
right?
rewrite the content.
Rewrite the content. So I'll just choose the image here. First of all. Okay, I choose the images. Fine. What is next? I just need to rewrite the content. The same dimensions for everything, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Same.
Say, so I don't need to add each and everything individually. I don't need to struggle. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So this is how I add this. And if I want to make some changes with the section, click this and I can add it. Width. Can you see?
Yes.
Width. Got it? And I'll go with this. Then columns, gap, height, fit to screen, or minimum height. You can choose the height also again. Can you see? Right? And column position, middle, top, bottom. Choose it. Middle. So I'll go with fit to screen or default. Default is also fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
And style. Do you want to upload any background colors for this?
No.
No.
Looks good like this one.
Or
Do you
else-
want to see how it appears?
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. That's
Uh,
actually nice, ma'am.
Yeah. But better you use only 2 to 3 colors entire website. Do not use multiples. Black. This looks fine, but I don't want. Let me go with a white. Huh? Right. And advanced, do you want to add the margins? See now, the
Yeah,
space,
a bit of margins.
fine. This is fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Cool. So what else we can add? So I tried adding top section, about, and then Digi course modules. Shall we add something like this? Things you will learn, when someone click this option, it will collapse and it will show me the matter. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Perfect, ma'am.
Yeah. So this we can call them. We can use the element called accordion or toggle for that.
Accordion or
So
toggle?
toggle. Okay. So for that, I will use two structure now.
Uh-huh.
Two structure, in that I'll use accordion. Okay.
Where is
Where
that?
is accordion? Accordion. Where it is?
You can search, I guess, ma'am, at the top.
Yeah, you can search. Yeah, I got it. Here.
Accordion. And
Accordion.
toggle.
Drag and drop.
Acha, acha.
Here.
Understood,
Okay.
ma'am. Understood.
What is the
ma'am.
first name? What's the title?
About digital marketing module
About
one.
digital marketing. One. So I'll just write it. And then we need to write matter.
Yes.
Okay. This one. So do you want to add few more?
Yeah. Yeah. ma'am.
Yeah, web designing. Okay. Next. Text. All right. So do you want to add few more, guys? If
No,
you want to add
no.
few more, then click this
Yeah.
add icon and then you can
Yeah.
add it.
We used only accordion, ma'am, no?
Accordion or toggle. Anything is
Toggle.
fine.
Toggle is
Toggle,
also
toggle.
similar like this, huh?
Similar, yeah.
Right. No, understood.
I use the same. Okay, so how many I have added now?
You
Three.
added three.
Three.
Module
If you
three.
still want, you can add few more. Okay. So now
Right.
see, guys, icon. So do you want to display the icons? See now? Plus icon for active text.
Acha, acha.
Yeah. So now what is active here? Module 3 is active.
Module 3. The content in is
Yeah,
active.
active.
Heading. Heading
If
is
I
active.
click this, this is an active. If I click this is active. Okay.
Right, ma'am.
So now the icon for the text is plus. If you want, you can change the icons. See now?
Right.
And active icon also you can change it. I would like to go with. So which one do you want me to choose? Okay, I'll
So
go
what,
with this
ma'am?
icon
Search.
for active.
Right, ma'am. Right.
Okay, can you see? Search.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
And you can also style that border width. See the border. If you don't want any border, you can just choose title. The title color is yellow. I'll go with black. Yeah. And active color is black. And padding, icons. Icon color is also black. Do you want to have a space between icon and text?
No.
You can have. Okay, fine. Yeah. Then what I'll do with this column, I'll go and add some image. Here. I'll just have some image. Like this. Okay. So let's go with medium. Medium. Alignment center, right side. And style, width, choose width. Okay. I'll go with this. Okay. And advanced, choose margins and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, before that, we need to add a heading. I forgot. Things you will learn. We need to add, right? Okay, let me add here.
Single.
Once. Yeah, single. Okay. Things you will learn.
Perfect.
Heading, drag and drop. Okay. And alignment, center. Do you want to have some margins?
No, ma'am.
Space between these two.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Got it? Yeah. I tried
Yes.
designing this one. The final, let us end up with having nice conclusion. Okay. What if I go and write something?
Like a quote or something, huh?
Yeah, like a quote, contact us kind of thing.
Yeah, ma'am.
So I'll just drag it, drop a text over here. Are you interested in learning digital marketing? Okay, so I tried having some text and you can change it left hand side and here an image. So do you want to change this image size to medium
Ma'am.
or thumbnail?
No,
I'll
thumbnail
go
is
with
the medium.
So if you want, you can still make some changes with this text style, changing the color of this text, black, and
Nice thing, ma'am.
advanced margin. See,
Yeah, ma'am.
okay. So do you want to add any buttons, guys?
Ma'am.
Don't you
No,
want to
ma'am.
add
I
like
think
click here or contact us? No,
no, ma'am.
contact us. Oh,
Any one we can have one.
yeah,
Contact
we'll
us
go with
would be appropriate.
contact us. Huh?
Yeah.
So let us put it proper alignment.
Center.
Center.
Center, ma'am.
Okay, this one.
Yeah, ma'am.
Right. Okay, changing the color of the button. Do you want to change it?
Yeah.
Fine. Okay, so finally we have edited our page. Somehow, we just spent 40 minutes to 1 hour, right? So we made our website like this.
Yeah.
So do you want to have a look of this page?
Yeah. Preview.
Okay, let's just update it and see the preview. I'm gonna preview. See now how it looks.
Yeah. Nice, ma'am. Very good.
Very good, right? We just
I like
spent
it.
only 1 hour. That's it.
I like
In
it,
just
ma'am.
1 hour, if we could make like this. So what if spend more hours, more time, so we could make really so beautiful website, right?
Perfect, ma'am.
Right. So I want you
Let's
to create a beautiful website than this.
I'll do that.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yes. So how you're feeling with Elementor? It's
Yeah,
far
it's
away better than Themes, right?
yeah.
So
Very
whatever we
liberating it
want,
is.
yeah. So whatever we want, we can do it. Changing
Yeah.
of font colors, changing of font size, family, images, colors, backgrounds, lot of things, right?
Yes.
So even I want you to create a website like this by tomorrow.
I'll do
Okay.
that.